Shea, and I will be showing off the game RunEasonRun. Alright, so I will show you Infinite Mode and Brawl Mode. Story Mode is a little bit longer, so I'll leave that for you to play through if you decide to download and play the game, which I hope you do. It's a pretty fun game. Alright, so Infinite Mode is what we call our speed mode. It's the continuous runner part of the game. So your job is to make sure that you can traverse these gaps with your jump button or your double jump, and to also not get beaten up by the enemies along the path. If you get too close to them, they will attack you and beat you up. Alright, so a little bit about the authors of this. I was lead artist of the game and also a programmer, so I helped program the Brawl mode, which you'll see in the future, and the short future, and I pretty much came up with the levels. I found all the backgrounds that were used for the levels, as well as a good portion of the sprites. The lead of the game is Hanzhang Chen. He was the producer since he developed the prototype, and he was also the lead programmer of this game. James Dressel, he was another programmer that worked with us on this project. This project was for a Intro to Game Design course that was taught using Python. So this game was developed in Python and using the Pygame framework. So you can dash through these enemies using your dash attack, or you can do a little drop attack on them as well. Both give you a nice little sense of motion when you perform them, so I find it pretty fun. Alright, so the Endless Runner mode here, Infinite Mode we call it, will pretty much go on forever, and you can see how far you get based on the distance you traverse, the distance listed there at the top left. So let me just show you what happens when I get too close to one of my enemies. Oh no! Yeah, so I just got beaten up. So now I'm going to show you Brawl mode, which I worked quite a bit on. So how the story mode works, you start off doing a speed mode run through a level, and then at the end of the level you enter into Brawl mode, where you fight off some enemies in order to go to the next level. So you have your standard jabs, and then you also have your heavy attacks. On top of that, you got something really cool here. You have a fireball attack. Okay. So the enemies are pretty simplistic. They only really attack you when you have already attacked them, or you are within a certain distance of them. So, if these guys are out of the way, I'll show you what happens if I get too close to the beefy guy there with the sunglasses. Okay. So wait. Alright, so you should come after me. Oh, there he is. So we like Pokemon a little bit too much, basic music. So yeah, if this game piques your interest at all, I will link the source code on GitHub. If you want to play it, you will have to have Python installed on your computer, as well as Pygame. Pygame, you can just go to the website. It's a free download. Or if you have a Mac, you use Homebrew. Homebrew is great. Homebrew is awesome. Alright, let's give you... Oh, I'm almost out of time. Alright, so if you have any more questions, feel free to message me about the game. I'll post some more information on my website, including some pictures. Again, shout out to the other two authors that worked with me on it. Hanzhang Chen, the lead programmer and producer, and he ultimately the lead of the entire project. He came up with the idea, it was his prototype, so mad props to him. I was lead artist, programmer, and Jim Dressel was also another programmer. He worked very hard in the boss fight, so I hope you enjoyed the whole game. Thanks for watching. Quit.